Hey everyone, welcome back to Olivie Grra, your go-to spot for trending stories, entertainment breakdowns, and what's shaking the world right now. Today is huge. The United States and Israel have launched major strikes on Iran. Explosions reported in Tehran, missiles flying, and President Trump just announced major combat operations. This is unfolding live. Let's break it down calmly and clearly. Stick around because this could change everything in the Middle East. Early Saturday morning, February 28, 2026, Israel announced it carried out a preemptive strike on Iran after months of joint planning with the US. Targets reportedly include high-level leadership sites like near Iran's Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei, the president, and military heads. Explosions heard in downtown Tehran, smoke rising over the capital. President Trump confirmed on Truth Social and in a video, the US has begun major combat operations to eliminate Iran's missile capabilities and any nuclear threats. He said the action is massive and ongoing, and even urged Iranians to take over your government for a free future. He warned American lives could be at risk, but the goal is a safer world, no nuclear Iran. But Iran hit back fast. Iranian forces launched missiles and drones targeting US military bases in the Gulf, places like Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait, and even reports of explosions in Abu Dhabi, Jeddah, Saudi areas. Missiles also fired toward Israel, air raid sirens blaring in Jerusalem and Tel Aviv, with defenses intercepting many. Iran's Revolutionary Guards called it a strong response, vowing to continue until the enemy is defeated. This is escalating quickly. Multiple waves of attacks reported, airspace closed in parts of the region, and fears of a wider war. Oil prices are already spiking, global markets reacting. Why now? Tensions have been building for months. Protests in Iran, failed nuclear talks, US military buildup in the region. Trump pushed for a new deal to limit Iran's program, but talks broke down. Israel says this was preventive to stop imminent threats. Some reports question if claims about Iran's nuclear rebuild are fully proven, but the strikes are real and happening. This isn't the first clash. Remember last year's 12-day war? Now it's US directly involved, joint with Israel. This is a fast-moving story. Casualties reported on both sides, including tragic losses like students in a school strike. The world is watching. Will diplomacy return or more escalation? At Olivie Grra, we bring you the facts so you stay informed amid the drama. What do you think? Is this a turning point or more tension ahead? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like if this breakdown helped, share with friends who follow global news, and subscribe for more trending updates, entertainment vibes, and real-world stories. Stay safe, stay aware. Peace to everyone affected. See you in the next one.